Hey there, Team V. Welcome back to another episode of Phonics. Woohoo! Today we are going to do the k sound. What letter says the k sound, friends? I know, it is tricky. There is more than one answer. You're right. Yeah, a K. I heard a K. And there is also times when a C is our k sound. So here are all the ways to make the k sound. A C, a K, a CK, and a CH. Here is a cat, a kitten, a sock, and a school bag. Here we have some cabbage. This is a cushion. Here on her face, she has freckles. And this has two k sounds, a C at the beginning and a CK at the end. That's a clock. Here we have a crocodile, and over here, ink. This guy over here is a king. You see him? There he's a king. And here is a skirt. Moving down here, we have a chemist. That's a CH. A kite, a duck, a buckle, and here this lady has a toothache. Oh no! Here's a key, and over this way we have a coconut. And don't forget the clown. Let's read the message that it says. It says, "It's okay to tickle me, but when I can't talk and my stomach aches, it's no joke. Take care, ticklers." So that is the k sound. And sometimes we use a C, and sometimes we use a K. Sometimes at the end of a word, it's a CK. And sometimes in the middle, it's a CH. K. Do you know why it's a K instead of a C for kitten? Do you know why? That's right, because C can say K and C can say S. If you have an I after the letter C, it makes the S sound. So if I spelt kitten with a C, it'd be a sitten, and that's not right. So since it follows since an I follows it, it has to be a K. All right? I know that's a bit tricky, but we'll work at it. Okay? K. All right, my friends. Thank you so much for joining us on our phonics today. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye.